Tell us what it was like to be on the streets with DTS, with your discipleship training course.
I went with a team to Oslo to preach on the streets and do evangelism. Initially, very nerve-wracking, because I was still shy, still very insecure. And the day I was asked to preach on the street, oh my goodness, it was the hardest thing for me. I wanted to say no, but I knew the Lord wanted me to do it. I had a cross that my parents had given me, a cross and a gold cross and chain that my parents had given me for my 18th birthday, and it was the most precious thing that I owned at the time. Somewhere along the way, I lost this cross. It came off the chain. It had broken, and I was devastated. It's like, oh my goodness. I looked everywhere, couldn't find it, and in the end I just had to give up. Like, okay, that's gone. So we moved to a different location. We were in Oslo now, and it was the night before I was to preach on the streets for the very first time in my life. And I was nervous, and I was saying, God, you're going to have to help me. I need some encouragement here. I just feel awful. And I went to sleep, and I woke up in the morning, and I put my head up from the pillow, and on the pillow was the cross. Now, we'd moved cities, so I had no idea how the cross got there, but God brought back that cross to me at a time to encourage me, to remind me that He was with me as I was stepping into doing something, probably the most difficult thing I'd done up until that point. And He brought back something precious to me, and I wear it every day since.
Oh, beautiful.
This cross here.
Yes. What a lovely reminder of His goodness.